Are you looking for that perfect side dish that goes good with anything? Stay tuned for Mushroom Diavolo. This simple side only has a handful of ingredients. 8 ounces of white button mushrooms, 1/4 cup of butter, 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 2 cloves of garlic, salt and pepper to taste, and some flat leaf Italian parsley for garnish. I'm going to start by melting the butter over a medium heat. With the butter melting, I'm going to add the mushrooms. I'm going to stir these mushrooms to coat them evenly with the butter. While the mushrooms are cooking, I'm going to thinly slice 2 cloves of garlic. I want to add the garlic at the end to prevent it from burning. Now just to chop some fresh parsley for garnish. Say that 3 times fast. The mushrooms are starting to take on some color, so I'm going to add the red pepper flakes, the sliced garlic, some kosher salt, and some fresh cracked pepper. I'm going to continue to saute this until the garlic softens. The smell of the garlic, the red pepper flakes, the butter, and the mushroom is just amazing. All right, it looks like these mushrooms are finished cooking. Bring them over here. And now garnish with a little parsley. And now it's time for a taste test. These are amazing. You have to make them. They go with everything. If you like the recipe, like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. In the meantime, check out one of the videos over here or over there. Check them both out.